reflexes?
Oh fuck, it's gonna go into the backyard.
Alright, well, touch it, touch it. We'll check the reflex. Touch it, don't worry.
I don't wanna...
Grab it, grab it. Are you scared of a snake? Come on, grab the head of it. Look, it doesn't bother.
Yeah, I know, and then when it bites you,
It's not gonna bite you.
that's hectic, huh?
Hey, Snakey, do you have a name? You wanna say hi?
That's a python?
Yeah. There's another one on the other side. You see what sort of dangerous conditions do I have to work in, you know? We'll have
Once
to
it
ask.
gets its head in there.
We'll have to ask for double pay. When I touched it with my foot, it didn't react. Oh, look. It's going up. That's cool, huh?
Up the fence, huh?
Steve, come on. Do something. Be a hero. That's what you're facing when you live in North Sydney. Snakes sneaking into your house. Do it.
Oh fuck, it's off. Oh, it's flaring up.
Flaring up? What do you mean?
It's getting fat. Before it gets up there.
So you see, snakes not only in the grass, they're bloody everywhere. On the fences. Nice.